Okay, as I said in the previous lesson, we use be after a subject to describe it. For example, this car is broken. Here, the subject is this car, and the description is broken. Or, those students are very unhappy. Those students is the subject, and the description is very unhappy. Very often, we don't have a particular subject to describe, when all we have is an adjective that describes something abstract, something that doesn't need a subject. In this case, we use the phrase "it is" plus adjective. We use this construction to describe the following weather or temperature. It is so hot in here. The pronoun it doesn't refer to any particular noun. In fact, our focus in this sentence is not a subject, but the adjective, because there is no need for the subject. It's raining hard. Beach is not a good idea. In the sentence, it's raining hard. We don't talk about anything or anyone in particular. Our focus is the weather. And in the second sentence, beach is not a good idea. We have a particular subject, beach. Another common case, when we use the phrase "it is when we express our emotions, feelings, and our judgment. For example, it is so boring to do the same routine every day. It is so boring. This is our judgment of doing the same routine every day. Well, it's easy for you to say. It's easy for you. That's our judgment. It's nice to see you. That's an example of an emotion, without any particular subject to describe. It's quite upsetting to hear you say this. It's quite upsetting describes feelings. Break into Pentagon? It's crazy. It's crazy shows our judgment of trying to break into Pentagon, which is definitely a crazy idea. It is so creepy in here. That's showing our emotion. We also use the phrase "it is" when we talk about day, time, month, year, season, date, or a holiday. In other words, anything connected to time. For example, time. What time is it? It's 5 p.m. Day. Mom, Dad, wake up. It's Christmas. Month. It's hot because it's June now. Season. A lot of people are depressed now because it's winter. Holiday. You forgot that. It's our wedding anniversary today, didn't you? Date. It's October 21st, and it's our third day in the desert. To conclude, we use "it is" when we don't have any particular subject to describe, when we talk about weather, temperature, emotions, our judgment, or time. That's it for now. Stay tuned for more useful content.